Okay guys, you're welcome to Browsing Texting YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can download a Facebook video directly to your phone's gallery. So whichever device you're using, so far it can download a video in either MP3 or MP4 format, then this guide is going to work well for you. So here I'm going to reveal to you how you can download any video of your choice on Facebook. If you like to download any Facebook, maybe you watch a video on Facebook or you come across any video on Facebook and you want to save it directly to your phone gallery for later watch or any purpose of your choice, then this video is meant for you, as it's going to explain how you can download any video on Facebook directly to your phone gallery. Stay with me while I walk you through the detailed step-by-step guide. Before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel previously, do well to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Check below this video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, then you will see a bell icon. Click on the bell and click on all to turn the notification bell on, so that whenever we drop a new guide, you will get notified. You're welcome back. So as I said before, as I said earlier, if you want to download any Facebook video, then you're welcome to this guide. So without wasting much of time, if you want to download a Facebook video, it's very simple and you don't have to go to extra mile before you can download the video. So you just have to go through 1 or 2 steps and the video will be live in your phone gallery, whichever phone you're using, either iOS or Android phone. So whichever one you're using, this guide is going to work. So if you want to download a YouTube video, all you have to do is to click the video you want to download. So this is my Facebook.
Hello.
So this is Facebook. So whichever video you want to download, just locate the video. Once you locate the video, you can open the video and you can decide not to open the video, whichever one. Just make sure you copy the link to the video. So this how you can copy the link to the video, whichever video you want to copy the link, whichever Facebook video you want to get the link to the video. So all you have to do is to locate these 3 black dots at the top right corner of this video. This is live page, and this is the latest video you released, and this is the 3 white dots I'm talking about. So you have to click on the 3 white dots or 3 black dots. Once you click on the 3 black dots, scroll down to the bottom and you are going to see the option that says copy link. Now click on the option. Once you click on the option, that means you've copied the link to that video. That means you've copied the link to that video. So now let's navigate to our browser. So here, once you copy the link to that Facebook video, you're going to go to any of your favorite browser, be it Opera Mini, Safari, UC browser, anyone. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Chrome browser. So you're going to visit fbdown.net, fbdown.net, fbdown.net. Don't do mistake in spelling the address. So fbdown.net. Once you enter it correctly like this, just click on enter. So once you enter it, it will load and it will take you to the website we're talking about. So this is the website, and this is the box provided for you to paste the link you've copied on your Facebook. So once you paste the link in this box, edit the box. So they're going to ask you to paste the link. So you paste the link and click on download. Once you click on download, wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. So once it's load, then they're going to give you 2 options. It's either you download it in normal quality or you download it in HD quality. Whichever one you like, then you choose it. So for this video, I'm going to choose normal quality. So once it's loaded, then this is the preview of the video. Then you are going to click on these 3 white dots. Then you will see the final download option. Once you click on this final download option, the download session will start. So this video has started downloading like this, as you can see. So the video has started downloading, so you just have to wait for it to finish downloading. So the video is downloading, as you can see. I hope you can see it now. So this is the video. So you wait for it to download. So when it's done downloading here, so you don't have any problem anymore. That's all. Your video has been downloaded to your phone's gallery, and you can now visit your phone's gallery to start watching the video. So can you see? That's all. The video has downloaded. So if I should click open, the video will open in my gallery.
If I'm the one, you don't have Football Club.
I've downloaded the video successfully. So as you can see, the steps is very simple, and it require no any additional knowledge or any special steps you should go through before you can be able to download the video using this step. So all you have to do is to go to the video you want to download on Facebook, copy the link, then come back to fbdown.net, paste the video link in the link box, then click on download and select the mode of the video you want to download. Once you're done downloading it, then you go to your gallery.
I will say all of the player. I'm going to use them.
So that's all on how to download the Facebook video directly to your phone gallery. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.